time. It is time for my FabFitFun spring box. You guys, I am so excited to unbox this box. Now, if you guys are not for sure what FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription thing that you guys can get. You can get it 4 times a year, and you get to choose the items that you want. Now, I have been loving the stuff that I have been getting in the past couple months. I wear a hat that I think I got it like last quarter or whatever. I wear that hat every single day. I forget I have it on. I ended up getting this blanket one time, and I thought it was just like a shawl thing. It's like something that like hooks right here. I love it. I use it every single time I'm down here in my little workstation. I ended up getting some facial stuff. I use that. I absolutely love my boxes. And yeah, so if you guys are new and if you are looking at subscribing, I do have some codes for you. Now, they do have an annual subscription promo, which is DesignerJen and I will have all the links below, but you get a free gift with purchase if you guys want to try the one box. Otherwise, there is a seasonal subscription promo. So the annual is for all 4 boxes for the whole year, and then the seasonal you get 20% off your first box using code DesignerJen. Again, I will have it all below, but we are going to do a little unboxing and I can share with you guys everything that I got. So what they do is they send you an email, you click on it, and then they give you like a couple different categories and you choose one of those items on that category. They show the prices of what it is, so like some of your boxes could be up to $400. It's crazy, but yes, there's like, I ended up getting like $125 eye stuff that I have been using, and I'm like, that's crazy. So we're gonna dig in the spring box. I got to choose all these items. Yes, I did forget what I chose, but it's a surprise all over again. So we are going to open it, and it is currently taped on the bottom, so I need to find some scissors and open it. Yes, so let's open up this box. Now, this is the spring box, so this is items that are perfect for the winter because right now it is freezing outside. I am ready for spring. So, voila! It says FabFitFun. It says feeling lucky, scan here to win big. And then here you got some flowers. It says spring things. So let me just put this down and I can share with you guys everything that I got. So here we have a HelloFresh meal card, and then it says win a prize pack valued at $10,000. Lightly scratch to see if you won. Do I have anything to scratch? I got my scissors. Let's just see if we won anything. Oh, it's a QR code. It's a QR code. And then it's a code I need to enter. Okay, I will check that out when I'm done filming. But let's just dig it out and see what we have. Oh, the vent brush. Did I pick this out? Yes, I did. So this is like one of those like TikTok viral unbrushes, but this is the vented brush. I needed to get, I thought this was kind of like a different hairbrush, but that's okay. My hair is in knots constantly. My hair is always in knots, and I'm like, let's try this hairbrush. It also might help my daughter's hair out because her hair is in knots. But yes, if I wasn't going somewhere, I would totally comb it. But yes, I'm pretty excited to use this brush. This is kind of like one of those viral hairbrushes. So this was a value of $20, so I'm pretty excited for that. It also helps with drying my hair. So if I take a hair dryer, I can use that and it kind of covers it up. So got that brush right there. The next thing this whole section I couldn't figure out what I wanted, and I'm like, okay, we're just gonna get a picture frame. So this picture frame, I did not write the price. Really, I did not write the price. I think this was like a $20 value. I don't remember, and I lost my scissors that I had. But I wanted to, I just could not make up my mind. I'm like, I don't know what I want, and I love picture frames, so I thought this was a really cute picture frame. It is really packed. It is packed. there's more tape on it. Yes, I love it, because then you know it's safe. You know it's safe. And then there's bubble and tissue paper. But this is a gold picture frame, and my daughter is obsessed with the color gold. Something fell on my lap, but I don't know what it is. But I thought this is a really cute picture frame. I love, actually I think this is more than $20, but I forgot to write the price down, but I thought this is a very pretty frame. So I got that because I want to put some more pictures on my mantle, because I haven't put pictures on my mantle in years, and I'm trying to make, you know, 2025 the better thing. So this is a quiet hour? Yeah, Quiet Hours eye roller. It's like one of those metal rollers where you just kind of roll it on your eyes, and I've been really kind of wanting something like that. Just kind of relax me. I've been getting some face masks. It says place the roller with its protective cover in the freezer for 15 minutes before use. Cleanse and apply lotion if desired. I cannot read today. Remove the cover and roll along the forehead, cheeks, and jawline. Clean roller after each use, and then put it back in the freezer. So I thought this would be something that my husband might want to use too. I don't know, I work with kids all day long, so something, and not including my kids, but I just want something where I can just unwind and relax. So we are excited to look at this. So it looks like here it's got it like a nice, it's got some weight to it. So here is the little thing. This is like solid metal. This is a silicone. And then here is the holder for that. Just kind of store it, and then, I mean, right now it feels really good. Oh, it feels so good. I could just sit here all day. I'll read and then just go, man, I could fall asleep with this. This is so soothing. I am tired. Man, that felt good. $48 for this. I'm gonna love that. I'm gonna love that. I am so excited for that. I can already feel it. Then I ended up getting some travel bags. These were $42. These are Desi Skin. It's a travel bag. We do travel a lot, you know, little day trips here and there, and I'm always looking for something to put like my kids' stuff in there, because I gotta pack up their toothbrushes and all that stuff. And I'm like, I kind of like this. I like this little tote, and it doesn't have to be just for my makeup and stuff, but there's two little zippers on here. So here we got this thing, and then it does hang on a hanger, but there's a lot of little pouches in here. Little things right here. Oh, so I got these, I thought these were extra zippers, so these open too, so if I need to get in from the side. But yeah, a nice little travel bag, perfect for stuff that I need to take with me. We're actually traveling next week, so yes. And then I got a couple more items. I ended up getting the most random thing, but I ended up getting a KitchenAid. I don't even know what you call, I can't remember what you call this. I just wrote KitchenAid, but it's like one of those little I always am using, we have like a tiny baby one, and then we have a big one, and I thought this is perfect just to use, you know, we always grate our own Parmesan cheese or any kind of cheese. So this is a perfect little grater that we can use, and I am super excited. I said, husband, can I get something this? He's like, yes, yes. And I love their KitchenAid stuff. I actually have their little pans to, like, you know, put in the oven. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So this was $20 also. And then the next thing I got is Ocean Eyes Age Defying Eye Serum by, is it Ocean Eyes or Osala? Whatever, I don't know what it is, but this was $58. And I'm trying to like just get rid of the wrinkles around my eyes. I feel like my eyes are just getting there. So this says, Hydrating Gel Serum addresses visible signs of aging around the eyes. High performance blend of seaweed, hyaluronic acid, and peptides visibly smooth the look of fine lines and crow's feet. So we got a nice little, is this a roller ball? Please Oh, sweet, it's a roller ball. Look at that. So I'm super excited to use this. I've been really using like a lot of products for my face, but that was everything that I got. You guys can join, so you can either get a free gift if you guys choose the annual, or you guys can get 20% off your first box, and those are items that you choose. If you guys join, I'm not sure if you get to choose these items or if you get to choose the next box, but I am loving it. I've had several boxes of these, and I just love FabFitFun. Like, I really love it. It's like you forget what you order, you get it, and then you're like, it's a whole new time all over again. All new. And I'm just sitting there. Yes. But my favorite things I am super excited to use is this KitchenAid thing, the eye serum, and then this roller ball. So excited. So yes, that was everything that I got. I hope you guys love the items. I know a lot of you guys always say you love your boxes. So if you guys are interested, I have everything down below that you guys can join. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.